Hi Richard, this is Michaela. Thank you so much for taking my call today. As promised, I'm just doing quick little videos showcasing how you can get more leads through your website alone as well as your overall rank within the Google platform. So I'm going to go over 3 topics with you today. Having an extensive background in digital marketing, I can tell you that there are 3 major points that Google looks at when ranking its websites along the Google platform. Number 1 is going to be content. And what do I mean by content? Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. And as for your homepage, I see that there's literally no text minus this little About Us section. I'm going to tell you why text is so important. If you do any type of basic Google search, Wikipedia is always the #1 search found, correct? Why is that? That's because it has so much content. Google loves content. Every few weeks, it kind of sweeps the internet looking for sites with good quality content, and it naturally pushes them up that Google platform. So having the most content is going to be key. Let's look at your competition in the area. This is Bayou City Steam Cleaning. They're on page 1 of Google. And if we look at them, honestly, they don't have a ton of content on their site. So beating them is easy, and I can tell you how to do that. So number 1, you need about 1,500 words on your homepage alone. That's going to allow you to be found by Google, okay? Also, on every additional page, let's see, we ask that you do a separate page for every service, which you have. That's great. And then on every page, you need anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words. Now, why is that important? If you look here, this is called Ahrefs, and it gives me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet right now, okay? And if you look here, you have 0 people coming to your website. You also aren't ranking for any keywords. So what do I mean by a keyword? A keyword is anything that people search for in a Google platform. So carpet cleaning Houston, Texas, for example. These sites that are ranking #1, so let's see, Stanley Steamer, OxyFresh, Houston Zero Res, and so forth. These people all have that phrase exactly, carpet cleaning Houston, Texas, somewhere in their text on their website. So when that happens and someone does a basic Google search, Google looks for that content on other people's sites, and then that's how it makes its search results. So having that text in your content is where you're going to rank for different keywords. So within every page's content, we would put keywords in there, and then you would start ranking on multiple search platforms such as carpet cleaning, HVAC repair, mold testing, attic insulation, carpet cleaning, and upholstery cleaning. Putting those search criteria and those search words within that text is going to help you be found, okay? Also, there's supposed to be some numbers here for UR and DR. These stand for citations and referring domains. Again, you only have 1 referring domain and only 4 backlinks. So we definitely can boost you up there, get you some good quality backlinks, and build this number up. Why is that important? Again, I want to show you your competition, Bayou Steam here, and you can see that they have numbers here. The closer that these numbers get to 30 and the closer they get to a 1-to-1 ratio, creates stability on the Google platform. And by doing that, that means you're not jumping from 10 to number 14 and getting bypassed by people on a daily basis. It almost secures you into your spot and gives you a lot of stability with your ranking. So as you can see, Bayou City Steam, although they don't have a ton of content, they are ranking for like steam cleaning benefits, Houston steam cleaners, Houston carpet steam cleaning, Houston carpet cleaning. Again, this shows 100 people search that every month, and they're going to be on page 1 at number 9 for that. Tile cleaning Houston, again, 100 people search that every month, and they're at number 11, so on to page 2. So they definitely have, they're not on page 1 for a lot of things other than their specific name and some of the services that they provide. But beating your competition is totally doable. By getting some good quality keywords and a good amount of text on your website, you're going to start ranking for a lot more things, getting found by a lot more web searches. By getting good backlinks and referring domains, so think Angie's List and homeadvisor.com, things like that that give good referring domains are going to be great places to do that. And then lastly, I want to talk about citations. A citation, if you look here at this Google map, I'm not sure if you have a Google My Business, but again, these top 3 are going to get the most business based on visibility. So to get this, you add citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, phone number, and location show up on an online directory. So think Yelp and Yellow Pages, things like that. I do have the ability to see how many your competition has, to know how many you would need to beat them, which is definitely something I can look into for you if this is of any interest to you. But getting those will definitely get you to the top of this Google map, getting found by a lot more people, also getting this number ranking for you, and starting to create some stability within Google. All right, well, I hope this was a good informative video for you. If you don't mind, please send me a quick email letting me know what you thought about this video, if you found any information useful or helpful, or if you have any questions for me, I'd be happy to answer them. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I will be in touch soon. Bye-bye.